Well, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. This is Mr. X live in England, and today, Monday, is the 6th of July 2026, and it's now 8:27. And here I'm at Heathrow Airport to get some passengers. So this is the coach I'm driving today. I took it to Oxford this morning. Came back not too long ago with those passengers from Oxford, and now I'm at Heathrow. So now I'm at Heathrow. I'm sitting over the bus ramp waiting to be called to go and pick up my night passengers. So while I'm here, this is the coach I'm driving. Yeah, it's a 53 seater or something like that, or 57, something like that. Yeah, so that is it. So while we are here, Mr. X live in England, I'm gonna show you outside. Let's take a walk outside. Look, it's now 8:30 in England. 8:30 in England. See all the coaches come to pick up their passengers like me. Yeah, so yeah, we've been to Heathrow before, haven't we? Yeah, several times. We've been to Heathrow a lot. Yeah, well, I am not traveling. I'm picking up passengers today. So yeah, that's the airport over there. What's that? Just Land. A British Airways Just Land. That one is just coming in. Okay. And one British Airways just took off. See that? So this is the off ramp here. See, entrance to Heathrow right there, where that big plane is at. The man can't get a park yet. You can't park. I have a triaxle. He bus extra long. He's got a triaxle. That's a triaxle he's got. So it is long. Look at him trying to park it now. Caterpillar of Southampton. He must come from Southampton. See, he's extra long. He has to go over the thing that to block the wheel. That's how long his bus is compared to that one and these ones. Okay. All right. More Air Jamaica. Listen, me start talking about Air Jamaica. More British Airways coming in. And what's that one going out? Yeah, you see? Do you see how the place is bright at night? See, it's going on 8:30. It is 8:30 at night, and look. Yeah. So the darkness, it will get much more darker like after 9:30 so. So we have longer days here in England and short nights. Yeah, the days are long, the nights are short. Okay, here comes one touching down. I could have go over there, but I can't because I'm waiting to for the these marshal to call me to go and collect these people. So it should be 8 o'clock, but now it's 8:33. So what's that? What is that? Orange and white. Shenzhen airline. I don't know that one. Shenzhen airline. So nice from China. Oh, look how much of them. You see those lights in the sky? I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are plane coming into land. If you look over there, you see them white light in the sky. Those are plane. That's how they line up to come in and land. That's 4 coming in right now. See, 4 of them coming in. That's only on the 4 you see right now. There's a lot of them coming in. Yeah. One is down. This one not coming. British Airways. See it there? That one just touched down. And see 3 more in the sky coming in there. See, every time I'm creating content, if it's not the police, it's the fire truck or the ambulance. So one come here is the next one. What's this one? It's a smaller one. What is it? Lufthansa. Yeah, that's a Lufthansa. See? Lufthansa. The rest of them are touched there. If you can see them, you can see the light in the sky. Yeah. What's that one? Fin Air. That's a Finland plane. Finnair. Oh, they're small. Really small. They're coming from short distance anyway. It's the next one. I should have used a zoom, but that's okay. Okay, how much more coming up? I can see three more line up coming in behind the next this fourth one. They're coming around. So my passengers, they are one of them. Maybe one of them, I don't know which one. Don't know where they're coming from. I just know they are coming in. I don't know nothing more than to pick them up when the warrants go. Oh, so this one was a DHL. Here it is, a DHL. What's wrong? Here she come in there. I like see when they landed. Look how much of them light. You see more lights in the sky? Yeah, you see? They never stop. They never stop. That's another British Airways just land. Here it is. Three more up in this in there. Three more lights. So they take off that way, they land coming in that way. No, that's another British Airways. There it goes. Another British Airways. Okay, after this one come by, there's a bright light in the sky. It's about to touch down. So when she land, I'm gonna pause because I need to use the zoom on my camera. See, British Airways, she touched down there. Okay, listen, I'm going to pause a little bit, yeah? All right.